There's a firework.
That's a firework?
Hold on. Gotta get closer. That firework.
Okay. You're going to have to explain, what is this?
That's a firework.
Okay, you know what? Sit down, Samantha. Sit. Here, let's do this. Sit.
Okay, this.
Scrawny arms can only do so much.
This right here. This
Yep.
right here.
This, yep. Here, how about I hold it and you see?
That's a firework. The thing going up.
Yep.
Watch what it's gonna do. Hold on, what was that? Oh, that says that.
Sorry. What was that?
It was a firework I was showing you.
Oh, right. Which firework was it, though?
It is a firework that we're gonna go on the beach. We're gonna put it down in the sand,
Mm-hmm.
and it's gonna shove the sand way up, and it's gonna be an explosion, and it's gonna do this.
There's a lot of explosions in your stories. Did you realize that?
And we're gonna put water in it, which it's gonna go, and all the sand is gonna go explosion up.
Why is the sand gonna go up?
Cause it's a loud explosion.
Are we done with this?
Hold on,
Whoa! Don't touch that button yet,
why?
because there's still gold in this video.
Let me press it.
Well, if you press that, it ends the video, and I think you have more wonderful things to display. Okay.
Are we
You know
done?
what? Are we done? Did you explain this firework? On this side, you explained this one, but did you explain this one?
That one is this how it's going up.
Okay.
That line.
Yep.
Is that what you were pointing about?
That's what I was pointing at.
And did you say what was that long thing?
Well, I was asking for you to explain what this is, just like you did this side.
That is actually the line to go up, and it's gonna, and then when it does that, it's gonna swoosh.
Okay.
But we're gonna have the firework thing taped on, so when we put that on, we're gonna tape it to there. And the firework thing, because when we, let me show it. So, let me tell you, what is it?
I think you can press that button now.
What?
You can press that button now.
No, I'm showing the thing that we're gonna put the.
Can I stop holding this?
No, you can put it down.
What are you doing?
I'm showing what we're gonna do. What's that again? Oh, that's what I was talking about. Putting tape on there, so when that thing goes up, it doesn't like hit the ground. Don't touch it! Don't.